Topping this week's health headlines. Researchers at the University of South Alabama have identified a protein called TOM22 that could be a game changer in detecting pancreatic cancer sooner. According to the National Cancer Institute, pancreatic cancer is often difficult to detect. This is because in most cases there are no symptoms, or the symptoms often mimic other illnesses. The research is based on studying tissue samples from pancreatic cancer patients, and experts say they are hopeful the protein will not only help with early detection, but future treatments as well. Cases of the dengue virus are now on the rise. Officials with the Pan American Health Organization are reporting more than 3 million cases, with 1,000 deaths reported among those cases. That number is 3 times higher than last year at this time. Because the virus is transmitted through mosquitoes, experts say the best way to stay protected is with mosquito repellent when outside in the early morning hours or early evenings during the warmer months. And finally, egg freezing is becoming a more popular trend among younger women who are waiting to have children later in life. Doctors say that in 2022, the percentage of patients under 30 who were freezing their eggs was about 1%. That number has gone up to 10% in the last few years. This week's healthcare hero understands how critical communication is to patient safety, and she takes pride in her role as interpreting services manager. Parminder Grewal not only plays a vital role within the hospital, helping patients with interpreting services and providing safe and effective care, but she's also an active member within her community in various clubs and volunteer efforts throughout Fresno.
Why it matters to me is that the faith that I believe in, one of the main fundamentals of the faith that I believe in, is giving back.
Parminder strongly believes in giving back.
Not only in a monetary way or help that way, but to give your skill set, whatever you have, your knowledge.
And she sticks with that belief both at work.
And I feel that my role as an interpreting services manager, we're part of the team. I'm the member of the team that brings that inclusivity.
As well as in her personal life.
Besides being a member of community health system, I also do a lot of community work with our community, Sikh community, as well as our community in general in Fresno.
This is why her coworker Joyce DeMoss nominated her for Healthcare Hero.
Working with Parminder, the first thing that comes to mind is team.
Joyce describes Parminder as someone who is fair and does her job very well.
I think working with Parminder, she is a team player. She doesn't try to work above you, she works with you.
Joyce said the team members respect Parminder and look up to her.
She will take time with her employees and listen to them when they need to talk and get things worked out.
Parminder also helps out at the Punjabi school in Fresno, as well as the Marjorie Mason Center.
I'm a member of the board on Sikh Women's Organization, which we are associated with Marjorie Mason. I go and I've helped multiple times with legal services for DV, domestic violence individuals. Also for all the Punjabi, unfortunately, there have been some cases that have come at Marjorie Mason.
Parminder said giving back is very fulfilling for her.
To share that with others that do not have that so that they can gain from it.
I know she's helped with like food drives and interpreting services outside of work here. And she's part of our donation team here, but I think it's a responsibility of us as good people to share that knowledge that we have and to help others.